happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I have some new products in from Sweetie Nail Supply. So special shout out to Sweetie for sending these over for review. Let's take a look at what they sent me. Alrighty, so this is what I just got in. This here is their little postcard. It says Sweetie Nail Supply, and this is their website in case you guys want to check them out and snag any of these items. So these are the two items that they sent me. They sent me a collection of gels, and then they also sent me the Zombie King High No Wipe Builder Gel Top Coat. I'm pretty excited about this because this is one that has like a really high viscosity to it. We're gonna get this washed out first, and then we'll get into the beautiful collection of gel polishes. Okay, so again, this is a Builder Gel Top Coat, which is pretty exciting. Okay, love the packaging on this. I do already have their No Wipe top coat and their base coat from Zombie, so it's cool to have their Builder Gel top in a container. This is really cool packaging. I love how it's matte black and it has like the little zombie drips to it. So let's get her open here. Ooh, it's kind of leaking already though. That's unfortunate. Okay, get some acetone so I can get this off my skin. Alright, so I'm going to use my tweezers here. Oops. That's weird, yeah. It's still sealed, but it's leaking a little bit. It's kind of odd. Alright, there we go. Oh, actually, the viscosity is not so high. You see, it moves. It moves and grooves. Yeah, it's pretty loose viscosity actually. Alright, we'll go ahead and put that in the trash. Again, this is a very loose viscosity, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this swatched out. I'm curious to know if it yellows or not. That's one of the first things I always look for when I am working with new top coats, is I just want to know if they yellow. So I have here a swatch stick. I'm going to take just a little bit of the Builder Gel out of the pot here, like so. It's actually a very low viscosity. I thought it was high viscosity, but it's very low, which is good for a top coat. It's kind of what you want. I'm just go ahead and paint that on here. Just going to do a nice thin layer, like so. And I'm going to just flip it over, let it self-level. Okay. Yeah, self-leveled beautifully. I'm gonna go ahead and cure. So the next one that they sent me is the Yogurt Nail Clean Frozen Collection. So this is really pretty packaging. It reminds me of like a beautiful blue sky with some clouds. So this is where if you want to swatch all the colors out and have them on display, you can. It's a little card that you put together here. So that's super cute. And then let's take these out and take a closer look. Alrighty, so this is what these all look like. Again, this is a collection of 8 polishes here. And I think the packaging on these are so stinking cute. It says so delicious, and it says yogurt. It's this really beautiful ombre from whatever the color is that's in the bottle. Ombre's up to a white and goes to a white handle. It is 8 ml, so 0.27 ounces. Yeah, and the color names are here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at each color. Okay, so the first color we have here is 114. Oh yeah, it's a really beautiful, nice muted blue color here. Very pretty, similar to a color I actually just took off my nails. 115. This is is also a really beautiful light blue. I think these colors are kind of like syrupy, but they have like they're syrupy, but they still have some good opacity to them. 116. This is pretty as well. It's kind of like a periwinkle color. 117. Cute. This is a really interesting color. It's kind of like a off-white color that has like olive undertones to it. Very pretty. 118. This is a nice like kind of like a light jade green color. 119. Oh, this is so cute. It's a nice soft lavender purple color. I love that color. This might be the one I put on my nails. 120. Really nice light purple color here. 121. This is a really cute like mauvey pink color. Really pretty. 122. A really beautiful nude. Like that one as well. And then last but not least is 123. It's a really beautiful gray color here. So very nice. All right, let's get the swatching. 114. Yeah, that's a really beautiful color. Like I said, even though they're syrupy, they definitely still have some good opacity to them. Very cute. $115. Beautiful. 116. $117. $118. $119. $120. $121. $122. and 123. I'm going to do 2 coats and I'll be back. Alrighty, so this is what this collection is looking like. They're really beautiful, nice soft colors here. So this is 114. Again, it's a really beautiful, nice syrupy muted blue color. 115 is a really nice light blue. 116 is a nice, is a beautiful, even softer blue with gray undertones. 117 is a gorgeous off-white color with olive undertones. 118 is a gorgeous light green. 119 is a gorgeous light lavender purple. 120 is a gorgeous purple altogether. I'm deciding between these 2 colors for my nail design. I can't decide which one I'm gonna go with just yet. I might end up going with this one. Very, very pretty colors. 121, which is a gorgeous mauvey pink color. 122, which is a gorgeous nude, like a coffee colored nude. And then last but not least is 123, which is a nice kind of like a grayish coffee color. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my nails off camera. I'm just gonna do a quick gel mani. If you all have missed my prep videos, essentially I'm gonna push back cuticles, shape the nails, buff the surface lightly. And I'll be back once they are ready for application. And I do have a dedicated video on how to prep your nails. I'll leave that down in the description box below. Alrighty, so I already filed and shaped my nails off camera. Now I'm just gonna buff the surface of the nails. I had started doing it off camera and I was like, let me go ahead and leave this part in. It's pretty quick and easy to do. So I'm just gonna rough up the surface of my nails really quick. And this just helps the peel off base last a little longer. Okay, so that's done. And then next I'm gonna go in with some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and just dehydrate my nail bed. I'm gonna use my Jello peel off base today. I'm just gonna apply a thin layer to all the nails. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60. All right, so this is what it looks like after the peel off base has been applied. Next, I'm gonna go in. I decided I'm gonna go in with 120 and do 2 coats of this to the nail. This color's pretty sheer. Yeah, the consistency of this gel is really nice. It self-levels really easily. And I think with the second coat of coverage, it'll give it some nice opacity. It's super cute. I'm gonna flip for 10, cure for 60. Oh, that gel polish definitely has a heat spike. Wasn't expecting that. Alrighty, so this is what one coat of coverage looks like. I'm gonna go in with the second coat. So this is what the 2 coats of coverage looks like. I really like this color. It's really nice, soft, and dainty. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Zombie Builder Gel Top Coat. I did forget to show you guys what it looks like once it's cured, and it does cure no wipe, and I don't see any yellowing at all. So it does not yellow, which is awesome, and it cured beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply top coat to all the nails. And I am in the mood for just a smidge of bling, so I am gonna be applying just one little cute little pink crystal to the cuticle area of all the nails, and then curing that. Probably do these ones here. Flip for 10 and then I'll cure for 60. And right before I cure, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a cute little rhinestone on all the nails. And put it right there at the cuticle. Super cute. I'm going to cure. Alrighty, so I went ahead and did my other hand off camera, and I am loving this cute little dainty look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply cuticle oil to all the nails, and we'll get into the finished look, okay? All right, you guys, ain't she cute though? Yes, I am loving how this nail set turned out. It is so cute, so dainty, and just, yeah, it's giving me life right now. I like it cute and simple. It's chic, cute, and simple with that little bit of bling on top. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, I'm loving these yogurt gel polishes from Sweetie Nail Supply. Another shout out to Sweetie Nail Supply for sending these over for review. I love this collection. It's really cute. It's really pretty. You can do a lot of cool different looks with them. I really like syrup polishes because you can really build up the opacity to get whatever desired look and design that you're looking for. So yeah, I do have a discount code with Sweetie Nail Supply. I am going to leave that here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to save some coin while you're shopping on their website. And I also just saw that they also have like nail charms and nail stickers and things like that. I think they just added that. They're always adding like new collections and new brands to their website. So yeah, like I said, I'll link them down below, but I'm loving how this set turned out, y'all. Super cute. And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.